The most profitable time of year is right around the corner, and if this is your first year doing print on demand or you've been working at it a while and just can't really seem to get any momentum or make sales, this is the time you really need to buckle down and get your shop ready, because the holiday sales make the biggest difference in the world when it comes to the profit you can make. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 of the best products you can add to your shop around Christmas time that have a high profit margin, and they aren't something just generic like a Merry Christmas t-shirt. These are out-of-the-box products, as well as some of my best sellers every single Christmas. So let's not waste any time and just get started. Now, if you are new to print on demand, one thing that you need to know is, in order to sell on a platform like Etsy, or even sometimes on a place like Amazon or another marketplace, you need to be integrated with a manufacturing partner. So that means that you are in charge of doing everything from finding a really good niche and creating a great design and making the listing, but your manufacturing partner is actually going to be doing all the heavy lifting, like printing, packing, and shipping that item. Now, today I'm going to be showing all items that you can find on Printify, which is a free-to-use manufacturing partner. Many of you guys I know use them, and I have been using them for years and love them because their quality and pricing is just really good. It leaves a lot of room for you to be able to still make profit, and I will have everything linked below for you to get a free account with them if you've never made one before. So the very first product that you definitely need to add to your shop during Q4 is probably not going to come as a surprise to you, and that is just going to be a ceramic mug. Now, Printify has all sorts of different mugs, and some of them are fancier than others, but I really think that you cannot go wrong just with a generic ceramic mug. You can put a really cool picture on this. I have tons of tutorials of how to do that. I'll link some here. But why I love adding more and more mugs to my shop around this time of year is because this is really the perfect gift to almost anyone in your life. So for example, if you have kids in school, you probably aren't going to buy their teacher or their sports instructors t-shirts, but you might buy them something like a mug. And a lot of people think that way. It's just kind of a great across the board gift for almost anybody. And so I find that if I add a lot of mugs around this time of year, there's always kind of an uptick in those sales. Now, the other really great thing about just using that generic ceramic mug is the pricing starts around $5. And then if you have Printify Premium, which is just a subscription fee that you pay every month that gets you up to 20% off every single product, it's going to be closer to $4. So there's still a lot of room to make profit with something like this. And one of my best tips for selling mugs is you can take note of anything that has ever sold well in your print on demand shop before this. So even if it's a t-shirt design, and you can take that t-shirt design and you can just put it on a mug. So this is something I do not just at the end of the year, but honestly any time of year. If I have a t-shirt that makes a sale, I'm almost 100% going to make a mug version of that because I've already validated that people are looking for that. So that is just an extra tip for you guys. Now, the next item you should be adding to your shop is probably something you have never thought to add, and that is making sure you have baby onesies and kids apparel, but specifically baby onesies. Now, there's something about the holidays that parents, they really want to just dress their kids up in very festive things. They want to buy matching family outfits. They want to buy cute little t-shirts for their kids and babies. And so I really, really love adding a bunch of designs to either like an infant jersey or a short sleeve onesie. And same concept with what you can do for the mugs. If you have adult t-shirts that are, of course, appropriate and sell really well, add those to infant onesies, add those to kids t-shirts. That's an entire marketplace that you could be tapping into. And if you want to sell fun Christmas designs, putting them in smaller sizes is a great way to make additional sales. So if you've never thought about selling kids clothes, as long as it would fit with kind of the niche of your store or the types of items you're selling, this is a really good one to add around Q4. Now, this next item that you should add to your shop is more of that classic kind of like holiday Christmas vibes, and that is adding ceramic ornaments to your print on demand shop. Now, Printify has a lot of different ornament styles that you can sell, but I really like just their kind of generic ceramic ornaments, there's several different shapes here, so I'll show you these. There is a circle, there's kind of a six-sided snowflake, there is a star, and there is a heart shape for these. And they're really, really low cost, $6 or around $4.50 if you have Printify Premium. But what's really nice about these is they also kind of fill that same niche as mugs do, where they make a really good gift for a lot of different types of people in your life. And it's a very, very low price point to purchase, so you can make a healthy amount of profit on each one of these. Now, I really like being able to make kind of like a personalized ornament. That is a great way to take this, and just an extra way to get a little bit more income for each sale you make on these. And I actually have a full tutorial here on how to do that. But ornaments are a great one to add around this time of year, and it's certainly not too early to start adding these right now. Now, the next item you really should be adding to your shop if you never have already, especially if it's just filled with a bunch of t-shirts right now, is you need to add crew neck sweatshirts. These are fabulous sellers for me all the way pretty much from like August until March. These sell really, really well. I mean, honestly, any time of year people buy sweatshirts, but especially these colder months, a lot of people want to buy sweatshirts instead of t-shirts. Now, the product that I actually recommend on Printify is I really like just the Gildan 18,000. It's a very good quality, it's a reputable brand, and it's a much lower price point than a lot of the other sweatshirts. So it's only around $18. And the exact same thing, if you have a bunch of t-shirts that sell well, or if you have holiday t-shirts, get those on sweatshirts right away, because not only are people looking specifically for sweatshirts, you can charge so much more for a sweatshirt. So while you might get around like $25 for a t-shirt, sweatshirts people pay up to $50 for one of them. So it just demands a lot higher price point. That means there's a bigger profit margin for you to actually make sales. Now, the next item I love because it's about the same price for you to buy as a t-shirt, but again, you can charge so much for it, especially when people are buying it as a gift, and that is going to be some kind of like plush blanket. Now, Printify has a ton of different options for blankets. All of them are pretty good, but I feel like the velveteen plush blanket, that's obviously a bestseller right here, has a really, really good cost point for you to be able to actually make a lot of profit with this. And I think that patterns do really well on these. So if you made like a fun pattern with like Christmas crossed with something else niche, that would do really, really well. You can also do like personalized name blankets. These are great gifts for like grandparents to get all their grandkids, or parents to get matching blankets for Christmas Eve for their kids, or people just love holiday blankets in general. So this sells very, very well. I actually have a full tutorial here about how to make your own AI patterns for selling on blankets. I highly recommend checking that out if this is something you want to add to your shop. Now, the next product is similar to one I already talked about, but in this instance, I think the a little bit higher price point that you are going to pay wholesale is worth it, because people are specifically looking for this type of item, and that is going to be an enamel camp mug. So this is different than just a regular mug because it's not ceramic, it's more of like a stainless steel material, but this is really popular for kind of like vintagey looking holiday mugs, or just kind of a more unique take on a mug. It's a little bit higher end, you can charge a little bit more than you would just for a generic ceramic mug, but these are gifted a lot, so I also like having this as an option too. They start around $10, but like I said, you can charge a little bit more, so that like $5 or so difference won't necessarily be an issue. And these are great for all sorts of things like pumpkin spice or hot cocoa mugs. Really anything themed around like a cozy season or the holidays. It does really, really well on something like this. And it's a little bit more unique than just a generic mug. So if you're finding that you're having a hard time competing in some of your niches, trying a little bit more of a unique product can sometimes give you the edge that you need to actually compete. Now, the next product that sells really well during this time of year, and I think is a great one to start adding, is super unique. You might not even think that it's a print-on-demand product, but this sells fabulous on a place like Etsy, and that is making your own print-on-demand candles. So you might not know it, but Printify actually has an entire section that is just candles. They have all sorts of different kinds. They have everything from like a mini tin candle to kind of a bigger, almost 14-ounce candle. But I actually particularly like these kind of glass candles with that metal lid. They just look very luxe, and you can do a lot of really cool things with the print on demand area here. So for example, for Christmas, I still think it's a really good idea to cross Christmas with like a profession or a hobby. So you could make a gift for like a teacher and say something like one merry classroom or one merry dentist office. There's tons of different ways that you could really niche this down. I wouldn't just do just a generic like Merry Christmas candle, but if you can find a good way to make a fun spin on a particular niche, that could do really well. And it certainly does not have to be holiday themed per se. So if you have other niches that do well, and I even see like political candles selling really well around this time of year. So almost any niche can do really well on a candle. And again, it's just a little bit more of a unique product. So you have a greater chance of actually standing out and getting sales when you sell any of your niches on something like this. Now, the next item I wanted to just give a really quick mention because it's a great seller as well this time of year, similar to another product I shared, and that is selling a hoodie in your shop. Now, sweatshirts and hoodies sometimes have a crossover appeal, but a lot of people like one over the other. So I actually like to sell both in my shop. And the hoodie that I really like on Printify is just their unisex heavy blend Gildan hoodie. It's a great price point, still a little bit more than a crew neck, but you can charge a lot more for hoodies. So definitely one that I would be adding to my shop or putting all of my t-shirt designs on these types of hoodies around this time of year. Now, the next product I wanted to mention is really fun because this is an embroidery specific product. It's not a traditional print-on-demand product, which there are a lot of considerations you have to think about with embroidery. So I have a full video here on exactly how to set that up. But I think a great item to add to your shop is an embroidered beanie. There's several different options. But basically, again, these make really, really good gifts around this time of year, and they have a pretty big area for the embroidery, so you can really do something super fun. You can take a lot of your other niches that are selling well and put them here. You can put a holiday twist on a lot of stuff and sell it as a beanie, but great item for this time of year during the colder months. Now, another product I really, really like around this time of year is one that you might have not thought to sell, and that is going to be a gift bag. So what these are typically used for is, say there is like an oddly shaped Christmas gift or gift for another holiday, or it's kind of oversized. A lot of people like to put them in like a reusable, fun holiday themed tote. So you can see that kind of here. But what I really like to do with these is add some kind of personalization. So again, if you just make it like a generic Merry Christmas or like Christmas present design, that's probably not going to get sales. But if you can do something like custom personalization, or if you can make it themed to someone's career. So like for a dentist, if they had all sorts of like toothbrushes and holiday ugly sweater themed items on it, that could sell very, very well. Or for example, if a kid is really into like mermaids and unicorns, you could put a Christmas twist on those and just make something really unique. So the key here is that you always want to be doing something that's a little bit more niche down or crossed with something else. And many of you have heard me talk about this before, but I have an entire free workshop all about this kind of cross niching research method for finding good niches, where it teaches you how to kind of combine a couple different items into something that is really going to sell. So if you're interested in taking that free workshop and getting a guidebook with over 40,000 different niche ideas, you can just sign up down below in the link and I will send all of that over to your email. And if you want to check out how to make some really great holiday designs, I highly recommend watching this video next. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.